Project is progressively elaborated. You know this. As you move into the project, you get to know more and more about project, right? Correct? Suppose your project is of 1 year. You are at the start of the project. You have some understanding of the project. You are 3 months in the project now. You have some understanding of the project. Now, which understanding will be better? After 3 months, or it will be same at the beginning or after 3 years? After 3 months.
After 3 months.
It would be better, right? Why? Because it is
Yes.
project is progressively elaborated. Because project reveal itself, or you get to know more and more about the project as you move in the project. One thing. Second thing, many projects are more uncertain. That is, requirements are evolving. We just talked about agile, right? Requirements are evolving. They are changing every now and then. Then how can I plan the entire project? I cannot. And therefore, we use a method called rolling wave planning. We use a method called rolling wave planning. What is rolling wave planning? Look at this. Suppose this is the project timeline, right? You have some milestone in between. Right? You have the roadmap anyway, even in Agile project. Now, you don't know the entire requirements, or requirements are evolving, or the things are too distant, right? But I have to move on. So what move on? My visibility up to this level is quite good. So based on that, whatever in my visibility, let's say any time as such, let me fix, or maybe a variable also, I plan the project in details. Only this much. Then I move into the project. I reach to the next stage, and then I see from here, I can see up to this level, I plan here. And I keep moving up. Whatever in near term, when I move, I get a visibility, right? So my visibility to next few maybe weeks, or maybe much better. So based on that, I can plan in details. Or the requirements related to this may be much clearer. So I plan this way. And so I keep moving and keep planning in details as I move it. We call it rolling wave planning. We actually create a window, and as window progress, whatever is coming into the window, we plan in details. This is called rolling wave planning. And this is especially useful for the project which are having an evolving functionality requirement. It may be useful for any project. You may have your visibility in the beginning is normally low. As you move into, you have a better. In some cases, the window size may increase. In some cases, window size may not increase. So what is an agile method? Agile method is basically a method, we call it rolling wave planning. What do? You just plan for next 2 weeks. Then you complete this, then look at the next 2 weeks and plan for next 2 weeks, and then plan for next 2 weeks. Requirements evolving does not affect much in your overall thing. So you keep planning whatever is available in the backlog and doing this. So we call it rolling wave planning. We call it rolling wave planning. Like this. This is not a new concept. It's a pretty old concept, and especially used for where the uncertainty is high in the project.